This is all null and void up here now, obviously. Support right there. Next target down there. And that's a huge range, really. Ew. Let's see if it's gonna close below it. Bro, this is wild. 2 seconds. Let's see. This ain't bad. Real fast. How much is it to this bottom on the break of this low? 50 down into that support. 75 that quick on the flip up. Jesus. If you want to take it, you got to set it quick. Let's see. Is this too quick, Roger? 30-minute closure below support right there. Taking it down to the next range.
Should be good.
On the break of the day. What'd you say?
Should be good. Going low risk.
Hey, yeah, I mean, just set it on. You can either do the break of the current or the break of the previous. Let's see. $40.54. 54.6. We'll see. We'll definitely see. But this stop is huge. So we'll see. But all I'm looking at right now is the fact that we closed below the most recent support right here. So after it grabs this top wick, which is a big ass stop loss, and I'm sitting in it if I have to, just to see how a candle closes, but it's an 84 pip stop, so risk accordingly. I'm just trying to target. First stop would be right here, 49.7, and second stop would be, man, like 100, I guess. This is just crazy. This is just crazy. If you even go try to find something on a lower time frame, it ain't much there. As far as buys, man, we'll just see. But right now it's just sell. So if we get a closure back like above, I'll take that back. If we get a closure like back above this over here, that wouldn't be bad because you got nothing but clean range above there. So we'll definitely see. But I'm locked in on this right now. Boy, these stops are huge. I hate zooming in like a motherfucker, but first stop will be right here. Put like a 3 right there. Take half at, I guess, 45 or 50. But if it just keeps on breaking up, it might start turning around. You at the crib today, right?
Yeah.
Got you. So it's okay. So I see we right at a 15-minute resist or support right here. But with volume and a re-break of a daily low, I wouldn't really be worried about that, honestly. As far as targets, if you get above on the buy, it's probably somewhere up into here, right there, and long targets somewhere up into here. So we'll just see. Right now, we're just kind of hanging out in between this support and this resistance, this support, this resistance. So let's see if we can come back down and actually re-break that daily low, because if you look, this candle right here, 815, closed right near all these supports, and it obviously didn't matter at all. So this one's closing kind of near this support, but I expect it to be able to come down into this next support if it were to break that low. And if it got past this, I would think it's going to just continue to fall. we'll certainly see. Was it 20 seconds into this 5-minute closure? If it closed weak like this, that still wouldn't be bad. But I'm using this as my stop loss most likely, which is like 80 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips. But I honestly wouldn't probably take a full 100 pips stop loss, being that I'm likely going to have another method of managing risk, whether it's a 5-minute candle close against me or whatever. All right, 5-minute candle just closed. So if it gets me in, it's gonna fly, hopefully.
Order stop
right.
filled.
I'm in. I'm drag this up. I don't even know. Let's see, I'm up 30. Bro, this is crazy today, y'all. So let's see, 49.
Order filled.
Right.
Order filled.
Got that first. Going stops to break even here. Stops to break even. How many are we up, y'all? Let's see. Oof. Man, this is quick. Oh, nope. Didn't mean to do that. Stop profit. I don't even know how many I'm up. But I just know I'm up. All right. Let's see. We saw about right there 60, 70. Saw 70. Let's see if it can keep running. Took 15 seconds.
Order stop filled.
All right, stop me out. Well, saw 70. I took my first profits at 51. Tried on my phone, made 893. There you go. No drawdown. 51 pips secured. Right into that little support area that we identified on the 15-minute right there. And that's that trade. I only took home half of my position, which is cool. I'm trying to see if I can catch these runners. So appreciate y'all on YouTube tapping in. Let's see what else we got. It probably has more room to go, but I ain't really trying to see. Like, I don't know if this is that low where it's gonna flip the hell up. You know what I'm saying? So what I'd rather do is stop loss to break even, especially after seeing 70, and then go ahead and reset. So that was that trade. Roger, what you doing on that, brother? You gonna say I ain't even catch it?
No, I caught it. I got 260 on board. Try to let it hold.
Yeah, me too. I'm cool with that though. Like I'm truly cool with that. Like, cause as we see a lot of times, that bitch just keeps running, and we like, damn, that'd be nice to be in it. So I'm cool with that. Damn, y'all. I'm telling you, don't hold that back. Don't hold that back. I'm gonna be sick. What kind of asshole do I gotta be to be up 75 pips? Bro, stops, hit. Like, you gotta be kidding me, bro. That's what's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna go from that. So as y'all can see over here on my TRADECOPIA entry, boom. Came all the way down here, boom. And flip back up, got me out near break even. So same is the case over here on these charts. You know what's crazy about that trade though, Roger? Not one point was my heart ever thumping.
Yeah.
Crazy, man. Damn. What's the next play?
It's still so early.
It's so early. Back when we was heathens, this would have been the day. I ain't gonna lie.
trying to catch like $400 more.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm still here. I was trying to get that thing to run. What did you throw and what did you take home?
I threw a 1 mini. I wanted to go back again, go back inside and do a micro, but
yeah, that's what I did. I got to do micros to let it run how I want to run. That mini is cool, but you got to take it all. You saw 26. You saw 26 and took it, or you saw like a lot more and then it came back on you.
I just had a limit buy. It just stopped me at 300 something.
Damn, bro, this is crazy because that was 50. Let's see, that was a 3 micro that I took for 153. So obviously 153 divided by 3 is 50. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like I said, it's nice when it go right into profits, but I mean, a technical stop loss, like I said, was held 100. So I mean, I still got an eye on it though. I still got an eye on it. I don't know what else is next. Go. Cool. That thing be moving so fast. All right, let me get out of these little last time frames. So now waiting on the 845 closure. I don't really love playing inside of ranges like this. After already getting it once, like you already done got it once. Are you really gonna get it twice? So with that being said, maybe just maybe waiting on the closure below here now, which is the 30-minute support right here. And if it gets under there, maybe you can find this little resistance right here to like look into targeting right here. Yeah, right here, kind of down here. We'll see. But in the grand scheme of the day, man, there ain't nothing in the way down here. There's a who can hold for 400 plus, 500 plus. And Brandon, I would assume you done for today, sir, or you got going to another account. I'm back like I never left, man. Just get right back on and catch 50. Gotta love it. I'm trying to let a 6 hit about 80 or 60, 70, and then the rest go for Lord knows what. That's what I'm waiting on. That big trade that just runs 100 quick. Let's see. I don't think I'm getting anything at. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting anything at 845 unless this candle closed above this resistance right here and gave a nice bottom wick. Like you saw how this candle gave a good top wick and then rebroke its own low and the previous daily and the daily low. So it came right into this support right here. See, now a 15-minute candle is about to close in 26 seconds. So I mean, if you trading just strictly off of higher time frames, it gave you no reason really to get out, because all it did was come up, retest, and now come back down. This candle is likely going to make a top wick and then keep falling. You just don't know if it's going to come right into the support and reject or not again, the way it did the first time. Let me see. How much range is that? That's real. Oh, man, that's not a great closure. 15-minute candle closing doji like that. Ain't no telling what that's gonna do. If someone was real antsy for something, they could technically enter right here and use like this previous high to come down, maybe into here. But like I said, after I done caught it once, I'm like, is it really gonna keep going? But doing it for now. Let's see. That's 30. Trying to stay off these smaller time frames though. But if you just really needed to scalp some shit, you can come down to this 5-minute and get in there. Like I said, you up 30, 35. I'd rather just wait on this with all this volume. I'd rather just wait to get a closure under here than trying to squeeze it. But like I said, that was pretty good right there. Even that, like, small ass top wick up, but you wouldn't be using this. You would be using this. And a 15-minute candle did just close under, albeit not very pretty, but it closed under the most recent support right there. But it's just not what I'm trying to do right now, because it did respect not only this support, but this support as well. So volume, yes, volume gave you a little 45. Yeah, see, well, volume gave you 45 right there, but yeah. So let's see. Probably not doing nothing else till 9. I don't think. So whoever is looking to go chill out. Preferably get a closure under here, but without running too far. But I mean, bro, honestly, it don't matter how far this shit run. If you get back under here, like, look at what we doing. So I'm just going from zone to zone identified on like this time frame, which is also a 1 hour resistance here and here, all these. But grand scheme, ain't worried about none of it. If y'all are watching on YouTube, if y'all can like and subscribe, that'd be very, very, very helpful. Very helpful. Appreciate it. Let me get off of this little time frame, like I said, and probably go to like 30 or something. I ain't doing shit else. It's definitely bouncing around now. Let's see what it want to do. Brandon never replied to me. I asked Brandon, are you done for today? Nah, you good. Yeah, I was asking, did you have your laptop? But you might not. You must have not been there yet. We don't usually catch stuff that early, especially not that volatile. What did trading on your phone look like? I know that shit nasty. I know it's nasty. Okay, 5-minute candle just closed, but it closed under, so it might be trickling down, but it's coming down though. Yep, target smashed again. Daily low is about to break again, y'all. But I'm gonna just wait. Okay, so daily low just broke again. But this is what I'm talking about. Just like, if you want to put your faith in like the highest time frames and not work, like me, I don't got it in me enough yet to be up 75 and not do anything about it. I don't have that in me yet, but some people do. Some people do. So right there on the break of the low again, you just saw 45 with a quick pullback. The phone was easier than I thought. Not ideal for having to execute quickly. Yeah, for sure, for sure. We'll see. I'm hoping that we can get a closure. Just like right, if we can get a closure right here, that'd be great. Under this, just looking to come down into this. So let's see. We follow on like 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Damn, I need a position to run for me one of these days. I want the full thing. Yeah, I need this to go ahead and hopefully chill right here for the next 7 minutes, but I doubt it. Like I said, I got these here as like potential targets, but man, this shit about to blast through all this. It's just crazy, just in general. And it's so funny to like see the aftermath of stuff, just because like it'll always look great after it plays out, but in reality, we just all saw the fact that this target came all the way the hell up here. So you would have either been almost stopped out or 80, 90, 100 pips in drawdown after being up 70 like a dickhead. So pick your poison. Pick your poison.
These Fridays been hitting lately.
Yeah, man, for sure. We'll see if it's gonna close under, because disrespecting this support. So it just flew past it again, like I said. But you better have taken your little money for it, man. This is a dangerous time to be a trader, no lie. Like, it's a lot of volume, but man, you get caught in one pullback, it's nasty.
This shit's pulled over 1,000 since I saw it this morning.
Slick want to catch a buy from the bottom somehow, but I would need it to come way up here again, which ain't too far off. I mean, it's 120, but the same way I would need it to close, I want it to close under here in the next 6 minutes, but we'll see. You said what you throwing for to try to get 400? A one?
Nah, I'm gonna go back to micro.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna rush it.
Nah.
Okay. Throw that too, man. You feeling good? You had damn near 1,000, aren't you?
I'm at 1,000 right now.
Oh, okay. That was
So
your goal.
basically already hit what I wanted today, but
Exactly. So at that point, if you catch another 5 micro for 40, 50, I mean, let alone more than that. Okay. I'm trusting it again. I want to throw 10 micros on here like it's a 1, but I just don't want to get caught in actually losing 70, 80, 100. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get caught in that shit.
Mm-hmm.
It come with the game, but it's like, man, at what point are you just like, fuck that high risk shit? I'm telling you, I'm thinking about next time I load up on accounts, I'm thinking about just going for 50Ks and not risking a lot, like nothing crazy, but just like diversifying in different groups. Because when you have different groups, it allows you to, like, if you lose on one, you gain on another one. It is what it is. You don't got to just drown out one account. So
I wonder how much each sale is gonna be.
Man, 50% off. 50. Top one already been doing 50% off, but like the other ones be doing like 30 and 20. And shameless plug, those watching on the YouTube with my code Trading Homes at Top One Futures, you get 55% off. So they give you 50, my code gives you 55. So if you trade in a 100K account, you'll save like $50, $60. You trade in a 50K account, you trade like 30, save like 30, 40. So definitely save the bread. But like I'm load up on TRADECOPIA again, load up on Lucids again. Lucid. Oh, was it Lucid? It was TRADECOPIA, I think, that stopped me on this. Oh shit. With some random little rule. Like I said, I don't really mind blowing accounts. I mean, if you spend $2,000 on accounts and make 20, 25K in payouts from them over the span of a month or two, any blow it is what it is. But at the same token, the way I got stopped out was so annoying. I got stopped out in the drawdown of a something 60% rule. I was like, what are we talking about? But it's all good though. Like I said, this is giving me a chance to like kind of lock in again on how I want to manage my bigger accounts. So I'm thinking if I got 50K accounts and you got a 2,000 drawdown, you probably don't want to lose no more than like $300-$400 in a trade, with the chance to make that same 300 or 400 or more, and then still grouping them maybe in 3s or 4s. So if I take a loss, say minus 350 on one set, and I go back in on another day or another group and go positive 300, 300, 400, 500. 1-8, 1 didn't. It is what it is. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm telling you, if you blow 2 sets of accounts, but you have 4 or 5, man, all that matters is how much you made at the end of the day. And these accounts are so sweet. And our methodology be right. It's just sometimes we'll take like with the old way I traded, I'll take a loss just because of the pullback. So when I find that middle ground of 1 entering and 2 holding in profits, man, it's gonna be scary. But I will say, I mean, even that aside, it's been interesting because even this week, I've only been able to trade 2 days this week, but I've seen 0 drawdown, straight profits. It would be nice if that were the case when I was trading high size, but man, cutting at that minus 15, minus 20 just for the hell of it is so dead to me right now with all this volume. Like, you gotta think, these candles are moving in 1 5-minute candle. I just made 50 pips in 1 15 seconds. So that same way I made it, the same way I could lose it. I ain't trying to see that shit on a 4 and a 5 right now, bro. I just don't got it in me. I went hard for a long time. I'm trying to be like Lanto trades, making 140K in a day. He ain't doing that shit in a 15-second trade. His average hold time was like 1 hour 30 minutes. He probably only on the 1 hour or 4 hours, to be honest. This is an interesting closure. 30-minute about to close. I'm about to say 30-minute about to close bearish, but you don't even know this ugly doji candle. Because a 1 hour, you look, it's about to close under everything to the left, but
just glad I've controlled my emotions, man. Not really being too eager to rush it.
for what, bro? We seen what that does. That I never want to recreate how I felt last month ever again. So I'ma just take that shit a little slower. Like I said, I be trading 20, 25 accounts, bro. Like I'd rather make 30 grand in a month and a half than stress myself out trying to make that same 30 in 3 to 4 weeks with the potential of blowing half of them. Like, man, it ain't worth it. It's not even worth it. No top wick, one new 1 hour candle just falling. Bruh, that shit just fell 100 pips in 1 minute. The opening was at 40.57. It's at 40.47. This is insanity right now, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That's that bullshit. Because a 1 hour candle did close below everything. Like it don't have anything over here. So it's just falling. Don't got time. So until I get a closure below, hanging out. Guess I'm just hanging out. You gonna enter on the break of that low again, Roger? After I ran down 150. It's about to break it. I don't think it's gonna run far though. It might. It just broke. So I don't know. It might not. This is crazy using those higher time frames, bro. Like, imagine just sitting in this shit. Oh yeah, it gave like, bro. Even on the break of that little ass low right there, just gave like 37. Man, you got to be kidding me right now. 41 pips on the break of that low that bad. Why did I have this target? Once again, look to the left. You see a resistance, see a whole bunch of quick. That's kind of how I identified that target. Man, this is crazy work right now, y'all. If you were to use that low, the only stop loss you have would be, well, you don't have one, but you would put it like way the hell up here for 150, trying to get 30, 40. No, sir. But the 30-minute candle closes under there, or under there, should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and move these on down now. This is the long target of the day. This is the next, and boom, closure under there. Probably looking to come down into here, which is that right there. Buys. We'll see. We'll see. Damn, look at that rejection. I wouldn't be surprised if this flips. It made the top flip. Once again, I mean, you're trying to catch a ball and knife at that point, but I would not be surprised by that. Rejected hard, but once again, it did close above all these. Well, move this over. It did close above this. So once it flips, no lie, it really could start coming up. Big ass stops. Might try my hand at that, because what is that, 50, 60, 70? Yeah, I might try my hand at that just to test it out. So buy a stop on a break up that high using 4 micros, nothing crazy, just 4 micros. 412. Probably using the 5-minute low as my stop loss. Just anticipating that the top wick needs to be created. Probably using this 5-minute low as the stop. We closed above there again. So I am actually on the 5-minute, but using like the 30, the 15, the 1 hour as my like the major analysis. And if it pulls back on me, it just pulls back on me. I'm only using a 4 micro on this. So if I lost, I lose like 2 something. We'll see. Probably looking for like a wick fill, so up into this area, up into here, 85-ish targeting. I'll probably take first targets around like 45, 50 and see if the rest can run up, because once we break this high, it should continue up. And if it doesn't want to go up on this candle, not going up. So let's see, first target, if you did the first target to like right here, that'd be 47, 48. So coming right up into here, just testing it out, trying to take more of the trades that I'm seeing, considering I'm using lower size. So I lose, but we'll see. So 61.7. And if it doesn't happen on this candle, like meaning this 5-minute candle, I'll reassess most likely. The 1 minute 30 seconds until this candle closes. I mean, this candle meaning the 5-minute candle, since I'm looking at the 5-minute and it's 9:08. I'm anticipating that this 1 hour needs to make a top wick especially after closing above 15-minute support right there and 30-minute support right there, and breaking lows. Kind of bigger stop losses once again, but that's why you size down a little bit if you do have a bigger stop. And we'll just see. Stop loss would be like under there, 88.7. Like I said, if this just starts flipping and closing below though, oof, even on the 5-minute, it's just about to come down. Because if you even look on the 5-minute Brandon style, if it closed like under there, it's going down. Ain't got nothing in the way. So 22 seconds, I'll see how this candle closes. man. Direction is still bearish now. It's definitely still bearish. Brandon, I'm feeling like you. Let's see. Is it about to close under on the 5? It's not. It might. So I'm deleting the buys because my idea is lay the hell up here. So I'm gonna delete that. Delete. Let's see. Man, I don't hate a 5-minute sell now just with the way that this closed below. If it re-breaks its own low, okay, and now I'm going with that idea. So just close because we got a closure below it. So 4 micro on a re-break of its own low after making a top wick. 40, 45.4. And if it comes up now to re-break the high, I'll just wait on 915. 5.4. Let's see, because now if I wait on say 915 and this candle closes like just like that, I can still enter on the break of this high, weak bearish break. But I just got a 5-minute candle that closed below the most recent 5-minute supports right here. Nothing in the way at all until down into here for 65. Trading low size, trading fairly low size. You can either use this high as your stop, which is 84, or you can use the 1 hour high. But y'all know me, I mean, shit, if I'm in an 84 pip stop, it's probably gonna go to 100. But we'll see. We'll see. Now it wants to get close again. Three minutes before this 15-minute candle closes. I'm telling y'all, if it closed just like this, still respecting this little 15-minute support over here, I might try my hand trusting that the volume is gonna make a top wick for the 1 hour. It still can do it right now, even. I just don't love how it closed. Came up and closed back below everything, even as far as the 5-minute. So if I'm not in anything in the next 5 minutes, minute and a half, I may just go ahead and wait on 915. But yeah, if it wants to break the high now, that'd be lame. All right.
It's not 9:15, 9:30. Are you?
That's what it's looking like, but we'll see. That's what it's looking like. Because even if this closes like just like this, if you want to go to 915, like it's not a great closure. It's closing like right at a support. So I use this as the 5-minute, or for the 5-minute support. So let me delete this just for now, just to see how this 15-minute candle closes. So deleting for now. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. Because if it closes respecting this again, and it's closing hella weak bearish, once again on the break of this high, man, if you look at like all 1 hour candles or most 1 hour candles, this don't look like a lot, but I mean, that's still a 30 some odd pip top wick. This one right here is a 85 pip top wick. Let's see how this closes. I just don't love how close we closed to the support. What would Brandon do? Set a buy limit right here. But and I just don't love how far it got to come up just to get me in the damn position. Like, it got to come all the way up here just to get me in from 75 pips down. Like, that's annoying. I'm trying to get 75, not have to get up there to get 75. What's your thoughts? I definitely don't like to sell right now, just with how I closed right at a support. Unless I got a 5-minute closure below. But then now there's a 5-minute support down there. So it's like, I ain't really too much worried about the 5 minutes right now. That last trade was clear as day. 30-minute closure below the range. Wick up, come down. This instance is a little more tough. So let's see what we got. If I gotta wait on 9:15, I'm cool to do that though. Or sorry, 9:30, I'm cool to do that. We did get a 15-minute candle closing bearish overall, so I'm not surprised if this is starting to kind of come down. Yeah, let's wait. There it goes. Thinking about making this 1 hour top wick. Oh man, I think it's gonna do it. I just don't love it. It didn't break this low after coming down and making a bottom wick. It's coming up, filling this wick. Once it breaks this high right here with this little ass top wick, it should flip and like run up for at least this wick fill. At least. You just don't really have a stop loss. And like I said, I'm trying to do better about testing my thought processes out, even at the expense of like taking lesser size. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So let me see how this 5-minute candle closes here in 20 seconds because it just filled this wick from the bottom, which was 43. Like, gold is just handing out pips right now, but you just got to be on the right side of it. All right, so it's getting real close to this high right here. What would that be? Something like I might try that for 45. So break up this high, stop 5, just a 3 micro. Just a 3 micro. I'm just thinking that when this 1 hour flips, after everything has respected, you could either use this 5-minute low as a stop, or you can use this previous candle as the stop. If anything, I would cut most of my position, or cut some of my position on the break of that low. But let's see. Like I said, I just got a 2 run, or a 3 micro running. Ain't nothing crazy.
Order stop filled.
Right, so the 1 hour just flipped. Let's see. 46, 7. Write this down here. 46.7. 46.7. Two run 4061.7. Let's see. So once again, this is the 1 hour flipping. Now I don't know how much it's gonna run up, y'all, but I have my first target at like 45. Let's see if it can get up there. I'm up like 10. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. 4061.7. 4065.6. Okay. Up like 30. Up 40. I guess I should go stops to break even. I'm up 30. Getting close. Go ahead and come on now. Oh no. See if it can. Oh damn. Yeah, I seen 40. I gotta go ahead and put my stops to break even.
Order filled.
Cool.
Order filled.
All right. So locked in 86. So locked in 43 right there. And gonna see if the rest can come on up and run for me. So targeted that wick fill right there. Stop loss 1 pip in profit. And we're going to see if this can finish this move on out. Once again, that was a 1 hour flipping after the 15-minute close above everything. Now, stops in profit, up 35. And we're going to see if it can go. Trying to see if I can get another 60 before it pulls back. But right now, it ain't looking great.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm stopped out over there.
That was a good
Damn.
trade.
It was a good trade. Good trade. Yeah, I'm done for the day now. That's my 2. What'd you take on that, Roger?
Just 54.
You got 54?
Yeah, I really want to close above and see what 930 bring that volume.
Yeah, I feel like I need to get back to my roots of taking my 1 or 2 trades a day and like start to like really curate that habit, you know, because like just because I'm trading lower size don't mean I should just like go willy-nilly on my processes. Damn, I got stopped out over here, but I'm still in over here though, y'all. I'm still in, which is cool. So let's see. Maybe it'll run up. Yeah, if it run up. Are you still in? Are you out completely?
I'm out completely.
Okay, what you up on the day? What are you up on the day?
312.
It's about to stop me out. Oh, come on, flip up. Like I said, I'm really counter trend trading right now, y'all. So like I can't really risk the pullback because that could be the top wick. You know what I'm saying? For it to continue down. All right, I'm out. Cool. Okay.
I'm not gonna close.
Yeah. So I'm done for the day. That's 2 trades. One for 51, 52, and then that one for 43. Yeah, 43. 97 pips on the day. Can't really be mad at that. Just gotta configure how I want to damn manage these trades, because it's always that damn, I wish I held when it runs, but then when you get stopped out at break even, it's like, damn, I knew I should have. You know what I'm saying? So gotta find that happy medium. But I'm here until 9:30 just to see what we hitting on. But yeah, like I said, that could be the top wick. And just on that little move up, that was 44. And I caught 43 at 44 on a 2, 86 divided by 2, 43. So perfect exit. That was the wick fill right here. So 97 pips total today. 97 pips total. 2 break evens hit though. 2 break evens hit. So 153 on a 3, then positive 3 pips, then 86 on a 2, and then positive 4 pips. So I'm only taking the highest. So total 97. 51, because that's technically what, 51 and a half. 50, no, it is 51. So 94 pips, right? So once again, if y'all can like and subscribe to the channel, that will help me out a ton. But ever since I done started this new methodology, boy, trades been running, man. Don't get freaky. I'm telling you, plus 81 pips on the last stream. Well, 2 streams ago. Not the one where I had to get on for 30 minutes and dip. But plus 47 last Friday, plus 81 on Monday, and plus 97 on 2 trades today. So, man, it might get to that point where, Roger, I don't know, maybe I am making so much, quote unquote, so much on the full lot with risking less that I can take most of the position, because I am letting it run 50. So we'll just have to see, man. We'll just have to see. Because I also don't want to be leaving this money on the table. If I was up on this 3, it was up 70. That's 210. You know what I'm saying? That wound up being 9. Like, you want to be smart about it too. So I definitely want to find that middle ground of what makes sense for my trading style. But let's see. Like I said, I'm about to get off here in the next like minute or 2. But I do want to see how this 30-minute candle closes just to give the breakdown. I'm gonna get this off of me now. You still just wait. You simply waiting on a candle to close under here now. Like, and I had, this is my resistance right there. And then this as my next target. So all I'm doing is finding touch point. So 1 second, let me get the music going again. All I'm doing is finding touch point. So I look at this, I say, where can it go to next? Boom, touch point. Boom, touch point. So I can even move it up here if I'm a little scary. And yeah, you got this right there, but man, you probably want to break even right by there anyway. So 50, trying to shoot for 90. So you can have a target right there. Boom. Like, it's no real right and wrong to it. It's just what makes most sense for you. And then as far as the next target, touch point. Roger, this 30-minute close is about to be disgusting.
No.
This is about to be, and if we don't get a closure above this, oh my God, 9 seconds. Well, whoever want to sit here till 9:45, that's what you about to do. But James Kirkland the third is off. So closure below here, but still above here. It definitely can go one way or the other. You got a 30-minute bearish close, but a 15-minute bullish close. 1 hour is open. 5 minutes is nasty. So if you were able to take at least one of the two trades today, you saw 50, 70, and 40 pips, no drawdown, both trades. So good ass trading today. Roger, don't be greedy. Be smart. All right, so whoever's trading still, use a stop loss. And I will be on Monday. See y'all Monday. And I'm gonna put it in the group though, but whoever needs any type of fundamentals webinar or whatever, just let me know. I'm free both days, Saturday and Sunday. So well, Sunday during the day, Saturday during the day. So y'all just let me know. I'll hit the group.
All right, everybody.
Yes, sir. Be safe, be smart. Yes, sir, Joseph. Appreciate you tapping in, bro.